is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and everything we have here is no sugar, no flour, no grains, no gluten. Everything here is keto friendly, gluten free, diabetic friendly. And I want to talk to you about our $99 meal kit, where not just getting breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for 7 days for $99, but at the end of the day, you're only at about 1,000 calories and 12 net carbs eating all this food every day, okay? So you get 7 days worth of food for $99. Now I'm gonna explain to you how it works. Everything is pre-cooked, pre-made for you. This is the most cooking you do. So for breakfast, for example, you can get like the chocolate cake mix if you love chocolate cake. All I do to this is add an egg and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I throw the mix in here, I microwave it for 2 minutes, and I get a delicious cake. And then you can put whatever toppings you want. Now, I happen to bake mine, so I made myself a brownie with the chocolate lovers cake mix, but this is what you get, guys. This is only 4 net carbs total and just over 200 calories total. Like, you're never gonna eat a brownie that big and this delicious. When I came up with my brownies, I had Ghirardelli brownies sitting next to me. So I'm a mom of 11 and I got mine to taste like Ghirardelli before I ever even put them on the market for sale. So this would be considered like a breakfast, okay? For lunch, you get chicken in little cups like this. This is all boneless, skinless chicken breast. It's already pre-cooked and seasoned. So the different flavors are buffalo chicken, plain chicken. The plain one I do chicken bacon ranch. I make a chicken gyro with it. There's Alfredo chicken, there's fajita chicken, there's Parmesan chicken, barbecue chicken, and this is taco. This is actually turkey taco meat, 93% lean turkey. My tortillas are made with my own, I'm gonna show you. They're made, my tortillas are only 36 calories and 1 carb, okay? And that's what you do the chicken with. A normal tortilla, if you go buy it at the store, is 150 calories and 25 carbs. And that's what makes me so different, guys. You cannot get organic coconut flour and flax to taste this good. I think that's why my stuff is so delicious and so healthy, and it works for everybody because it's made, my base for everything is organic coconut flour and flax, but they're not easy to work with, and most of the time, good luck trying to get it to taste as good as mine does. For dinner, you get a burger, okay? So these are 93% lean turkey burgers. I made them to taste like steak because I love beef, even though beef is not always the best for you all the time, especially if you got a bad heart like me. So what I do is I make my own steak sauce. I mix the steak sauce in with the beef and then I add some other things to it. So you get a burger, and we have a whole line of burgers here that we sell here at the market. So all you gotta do is go on our website, HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and you can make your own burger exactly the way I make it. And for dessert, you get a snack, and you can have a variety, okay guys? So these are 7 different snacks that you can get. There's peanut butter, chocolate bombs, there's bars with peanuts in them, there's bars with almonds, there's hormones, there's coconut. If you are like don't have a gallbladder and you can't do a high-fat keto diet, we can do high protein and super low fat, and that's what's nice about, that's what makes me different, I think, from the regular keto out there. I'm beyond keto. So you can come in and just say, I want a weekly weight loss meal kit. Remember, you don't need, the only other thing you need that doesn't come included in this is the eggs and the cream, or the eggs and the Greek yogurt. Everything else comes in the kit. It's all pre-cooked, it's all seasoned, and even though you're eating a mix, a wrap, a burger, and a dessert every day, you can make something different every day. You don't feel like you're eating the same thing, because I can use the chocolate mix and make myself a chocolate cake or a brownie, or if I feel like a pizza, I'm gonna use the garlic mix and make myself pizza dough and put pizza toppings on it. So just because I'm eating a mix every day doesn't mean I have to eat the same mix every day. Same thing with the wraps. We have so many different flavors. You can add whatever toppings you want on them, whatever condiments you want on them. The whole purpose of this weekly weight loss meal kit is to make you feel not deprived, okay? What I want from you at the end of the week is to say, oh my goodness, Tamara's right. I'm eating more than I normally eat. I'm eating burgers, wraps, cake, and chocolate. I don't feel deprived about anything. I feel like I'm eating more, but I lost 5 pounds this week, literally eating more than I normally do. And that's how easy it is. And I can promise you, everybody rants and raves about the weekly weight loss meal kit. It's a very good way to get started if you don't know how to start. If you're looking to diet or looking to lose weight, or you're a diabetic and you don't know where to go, you will never be able to eat all this for 12 carbs in a day. There's only 12 carbs in a whole day's worth of food here. Okay, guys? You can come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, you can always order online. Now I'm gonna say one more thing before I go. You can order online. We don't, the frozen meat doesn't get shipped, but the waffles do and everything else in the mixes. The magic is in the mixes. Okay, guys? I want you to understand that. So now you're gonna ask me, well, then why are you giving us meat? I'm giving you meat for a reason, because who wants to give up meat, right? Nobody wants to give up meat. But the magic is in the mixes. You can eat meat and salad all day long and you're not gonna lose weight. If you eat my brownies all day long, you're gonna drop a lot of weight, okay? When I got down to a size 2, you guys see my before and after picture. This is my before and after picture. And believe it or not, I didn't know all the things that I'm doing right now, but when I did this, I was eating the equivalent of 6 mixes a day. And when I even though I was this big, to be honest with you, the size of my appetite never changed. I didn't even change the amount of food that I ate. I just changed what I ate. And that's what happened. This is the result. And I'm a mom of 11. I've had 11 C-sections. We broke a world record for most number of C-sections. And only because I got healthy after severe heart failure, that's how all this started. After severe heart failure, I got healthy and I've been able to have 4 kids post-heart failure. So that's the blessing here. So guys, if you don't live nearby, visit healthytreatsmarket.com, okay? This is it right here, healthytreatsmarket.com, and you can place an order. I'd highly encourage you to get a budget bundle. That's how you start, and you do 2 to 3 mixes a day. If you do live nearby, do not go grocery shopping. This needs to be your grocery store, okay? You come to Healthy Treats Market and the Davison Farmers Market, and you just try it for 1 week. Try a $99 meal kit, and I promise you, you'll be sold on the products. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.